Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2019 Toyota Corolla SE CVT with the XSE Package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a sleek and stylish black sand pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine. You'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your XSE Package is your touch panel display integrated with navigation and Sirius XM radio. You also do have a heated steering wheel for the ultimate driving convenience. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy key fob here. It is a smart key system with the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have your stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors, put the keys in my pocket, and the 2 options you have, you can run your hand on the handle, which will unlock the door, and by putting your finger on that sensor there, it will lock the doors. So unlocking it to open it up now. Right away, you're greeted by a sporty interior. Getting a closer look, you can see that you have your blue trim as part of the motif inside of your Corolla. You also do have the upgraded leather trim all throughout, contrasting white stitching to tie that style together. You have your power windows, your power locks. On the side here, you have your upgraded features like your power adjustable side mirrors, your heated leather wrapped steering wheel, and your heated mirrors. Below, you have a full set of all-weather floor mats, plus your driver seat is power adjustable, so you're riding away in the ultimate comfort. And check out the real showstopper of your Corolla, your blue trimmed, contrasting white stitching and black leather interiors all throughout, tying that sweet sporty style together. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will definitely be nice to have open during those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your XSE model, simply put your foot on the brake there and hit that push start button. Your dashboard's going to light up with that cool ambient lighting, and you also do have your display opening up with that welcome screen. As you can see, you have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. An important menu to be on is your Toyota Safety Sense features, so things like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system. You can turn on and off those alerts as well as set the sensitivity of those sensors. In addition to that, you also do have your hands-free calling, voice command, mode changers, and your volume control mounted on one side, plus you have that lane departure alert and your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set from below here. It's a distance keeping feature as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. You have your leather wrapped steering wheel, which as mentioned before is heated, and with your XSE you have your paddle shifters for that more authentic driving experience. On the back here, you can see you have your automatic headlights, so you don't have to forget to turn them on. You have your windshield wipers, and taking a look at your touch panel LCD display. Opening up your applications, you can see that your Corolla is equipped with navigation. It's a very user-friendly system, so definitely come on in, punch in your home address, and see how it works for you. A great feature to have to take on your next road trip. Opening up your audio system, you can see that you have your AM FM radio. You also do have that CD player on top, plus with the 2019 Corollas you get your Sirius XM radio, plus your Bluetooth and auxiliary input, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here, a standard feature in all 2019 models to keep you and everyone nice and safe. Now one more feature we can see is opening up your applications, your setup. Go to general settings, you can see that your Corolla still can be customized with whichever color matches your personality. Now below here, you'll find your digital display for your climate control, which is equipped with that electronic automatic climate control plus air conditioning for convenience. Plus you have your 12-volt DC charger, USB auxiliary input below, heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You have your media storage, your stylish shift knob, with that manual sport drive mode using your paddle shifters, that leather trim on both your shift knob and your parking brake, plus your traction control and sport drive mode. You have your removable pieces to keep things nice and easy to clean, plus that chrome detailing on your cup holders. In your center console, you have that top shelf for smaller items, and below, plenty of space to store everything that you need, finished off with that cool stitching detailing and leather trim on top. And inside of your glove box, you'll find all the manuals. You'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla. We're seeing that blue contrasting stitching, that white leather trim on top, tying all of that style together on the inside of your Corolla. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To activate that power lift gate, simply hold that button on your fob and it'll pop open for you here. Nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. Additional to that, under here you have your spare tire storage with your tools and your jack in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You also do have a cargo lamp in there for visibility, plus your emergency release. Closing that up now. On the back of your XSE, you can see that you have that spoiler detailing as well as your standard backup camera. You have that chrome tipped exhaust and your chrome badging, as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2019 Toyota Corolla SE CVT with the XSE Package. Built right into your Corolla is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system to have you riding away in the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.